What is going on, guys? I have a headset here from TAGRY, and let me tell you, this is a true wireless headset. The first thing you're going to notice is the LED in the front displaying how much battery life the case has. Now, because this is a true wireless headset, you can expect a few things from it. Just like all the other headsets out there, you are going to be able to use this case to charge these headsets multiple times before you have to recharge it. The touch control is actually pretty nice. You tap it once to play or stop the music, or you can double tap to go to the next track. The fit on this is actually pretty nice. I notice it fits just like my AirPod Pro. It comes with 3 different tips and it fits in my ear pretty nicely. Another thing about the LED on the case is you can actually see which sides are charging and how much battery level it has left. The last thing I did on this was I did a test with gaming, see how good the latencies are when using these for mobile games. I played a couple of games of Call of Duty, and I can tell you that I can actually hear the footsteps that are coming towards me. I think compared to some of the headsets out there with the price, this thing does work really well through my testing. I'm going to have to do some more testing on this, but so far initial impression has been really good.